exclusive. I just promised you my time, and I'm giving it to you, babe. So why you being accusive? Your emotions running wild. If you don't calm down, I can't stay. Breathe in, breathe out. Let me speak now. What happened?
Hello and welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video, I'm going to be decluttering my closet. I'm getting it ready for a revamp. It's going to be a 3-part series. If you want to see how everything turns out, subscribe to the channel. Turn on your post notifications so you'll be alerted when I post a video. Alright y'all, let's get into the video.
Baby squatter, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should ride on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at.
Since I have everything out of the closet, I'm going to tell y'all the plan for this space. So the plan is to declutter the closet, remove the shelf, measure and mark the space for the closet that I'll be building in the next video. So because this is a small closet, I'm going to be using all of the vertical space that's in the closet to build the closet.
You never lie to me, keep the moves on tuck. I know it's all up, everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good.
So now I'm going to remove this shelf.
I know it's all love. Get out the way, who got a watch, who got the time, I'm raising the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. That is real cheap, but it's really gon' cost.
Okay, so now that I have removed the shelf, I'm just measuring the space so that when I get ready to build the closet, I will know exactly where to place the closet.
My rules. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to me when I want it, please. Wait tight on our leg for it. Countdown for me. 12, 11, 10, 9. Hate that, I'ma make you wait for it. On my time. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. On my time. My time, my time, my time, my time. Order in the court. Me first, you short. On my time, been off yours, boss. To the floor. It's my time. You was for you, I was for us. You do the math, don't add up. Even on my worst day, down on my luck. I got the sauce.
So now I'm filling these holes so that I can prepare to paint.
Cause I trust me, I'ma go get these millions. I'm still hoping and wishing. You always had me waiting, and I'm about fresh out of patience. This time we switching positions. Now you under my submission like woo. My rules, big moves. Y'all heavy on the tweeting. I'll disappear a whole season like woo. Who said they looking for me? I'ma make you wait for it. Spend a few racks on a shopping spree. Yeah, I'ma make you pay for it. Tell them give it to to me when I want it, please. Wet tight on our leg for it. Count down for me.
Alright, y'all, that's it for this video. Come back for part 2. Thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe for more from me. Bye, y'all.
Yeah, I'ma make you pay.